Hey guys, this is your channel host Vignesh for channel Fitbotech, and in today's video we are going to do my own build. So this is my second gaming PC which I am building for myself, and I am going to use these parts which I bought it locally from the IT Depot, that is the store name, and few parts are purchased from Amazon. So I'll just post all the links in the description box below for you people to easily find it out and purchase it. And this build has few components from my old PC and also the new components which I purchased for my new PC, and these all components have been costed me around about rupees 2,80,000 rupees, including my GPU and everything till now. And I am very satisfied of these components by seeing it itself, because I had a i7 4790K which I burnt it by doing an extreme overclocking. I may say that this is a special build because I am going to be cooling my processor and also my graphic card with a liquid cooler, so I am very happy that I could gain all the efficiency and performance from my components. So let's take a look at my components which I have bought it now. So I am using the i9-9900KF with the ROG Strix Z390E motherboard. For cooling my processor, I am going to use the H150i Pro from Corsair, and the RAM which I am going to use the G-Skill Trident C 3200 MHz RGB RAM. For the graphic card, I am using the RTX 2080 which I bought it at the starting of 2019, and I am going to liquid cool it with the Kraken G12, which is the mount, and with the H80 V2 from Corsair, which I was using for my old CPU as my cooler. As we are going to use lots of fans, we have the deep cool fan hub. So let's start building. This is the Antec NX800 case, which is one of the best low budget cases with a good design on it, and it has all the new gen features. I have made a separate video on it, you can just check in the I button above. Sorry to skip guys, I just completed my build and as I said I have just compiled my RTX 2080 with the Kraken G12 and this my HITI V2 AIO liquid cooler. And to customize your GPU I have made a separate video, you can just check it in the I button above. I have also used the H150i Pro to cool my i9-9900KF processor. With this build I can maintain low temps on both GPU and CPU. So I just attached RM750 which was from my old PC, and you can also see that the 860 QEO and further the three hard drives which are not easy swappable drives. It's just fixed with a screw. Other than that, this case was good and occupied all my PC components. So you can also see that I have managed the cable as much as can possible because it was clutter at that time. I just organized it around. So now I just also installed the antenna, which you can just see over here. This is the Asus ROG antenna, which has the both Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi connections, which can handle up to 5 GHz. They have also given lots of holes for routing your cables around your case, and they have also given an apt amount of space for managing your cables. So I think that it's like this much they have given the space for you to manage your cables. Finally we have just installed the tempered glass and stuck some stickers which came inside the box, and the PC looks fabulous for me, and it has been one of the biggest projects which I have just done. Let's install the other connectivity. So let's plug it in and wait for the moment of truth. Let's turn the PC on and see if it works. Wow, really great guys. The PC has turned on in the first boot itself guys. I'm really happy, and this is the logo. So we should just sign in and boot the OS. So before that I just need to talk about two things in this PC guys. The first one is that the GPU, which is being liquid cooled with the help of HITI V2. So the HITI V2 is being fixed with the help of Kraken G12, and in future I'll be fitting the NZXT Kraken X62 as my GPU cooler. If you also want to do the same to your GPU, then I've just linked the video in the I button above. I've made a separate video for that. So this is the Antec NX800 case guys. So the second thing which I need to speak is about the airflow. This case has the better airflow by having two 200mm fans and a rear 120mm fan for inlet, and you can have a two 120mm fans as an outlet, and you can use the button on the top to switch the colors. To know about the detailed features, I have just linked the video in the I button above. So get ready for the B-roll guys. Let's do some basic benchmarkings. First we will do the benchmarkings for the Fire Strike and the Fire Strike Extreme. So in this I have just scored 23,922 for Fire Strike and 13,434 for Fire Strike Extreme. For Assassin's Creed Odyssey, it's a great game guys. I have just scored 4,369 with a 70 FPS average. This is the Port Royal benchmark which uses the RTX features, and I have scored about 6,954 as a score. And next we are going for the Time Spy. So this has two benchmarks. The Time Spy is 11,630, and for the Time Spy Extreme I have scored 5,415. And next we are moving on to the Shadow of Tomb Raider, which is one of the demanding games of 2020. I have scored around 14,078 and with an average FPS of about 90. Now we can move on to the gameplay of Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and it's going to be a 1440p gameplay.
Reloading.
While editing also I was able to scroll down the footages of a 4K video easily, and I also rendered that footage within 10 minutes. Now after testing, this PC is great for productivity and also for gaming, and I got about 130 FPS in it as average. So it's really great guys, and I think that this video would have been helpful for you to know about a build like this. And if you like this video, please do like, share and comment down below if this video worth it. And this is Vignesh signing off by saying live your passion.